Quick tip just occurred to me. I'm not sure where I picked this up, but somebody showed me it or told me it, I don't know. But whenever you're putting your head bolts in, or your rocker arm bolts, things like that, which have a critical torque spec, obviously you need to get your holes very cleaned out. And what you would normally use is a thread chaser to get it ready for these bolts. Now, if you don't have one, that's fine. What you do is get a bolt. In this case, it's an M8. Can you see that as I can zoom? And just take your grinder and cut a little groove both sides, and give it a whip over with a wire brush to make sure there's no little flash edges on it. And then you can just use that to go into your, gently of course, because this is an aluminium head here, and you just have to gently get that zoomed in. Come on. So there we go, and then you're just going to twist it in. Finger pressure should do it, and take it down in there, and you will get all the way to the bottom easy enough, all being well. Obviously being careful, as I say. And then pull this out, and let's have a look and see if we got any. Now you could use a battery drill to do this, but you'd be risking it. And so if you have a look there, all that gunk and swarf, whenever you're trying to press in a hardened bolt and screw in a hardened bolt there, that all that will just resist the thread, and you won't get the correct torque spec, so that will just chase out your holes. I've already cleaned these out with WD-40 and solvent, so it's just a wee tip in case you didn't know that. Just a bolt, cut 2 grooves either side, and that'll help you. Alright. And one other thing as well, you might be tempted or think of using a tap and die set. Don't use this, because these are meant for cutting. Come on, zoom in. These are meant for cutting, and they have more aggressive thread on them. Oh, come on, focus. They have more aggressive thread. Take my word for it, they have more aggressive thread, and they will cut into your little holes and give you trouble.